We are pleased to show you the 2011 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, all-wheel drive, stability control, navigation system, backup camera, running boards, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.